Welcome to today's briefing. For the fifth consecutive day, there are no new cases of COVID-19 in New Zealand. So our total number of confirmed cases remains the same at 1,154, and the total of confirmed and probable cases is 1,504. There's one additional recovered case, and this total of recovered cases is now 1,462, and there are just 21 remaining active cases of COVID-19. There are no additional deaths to report, and currently there is nobody in hospital with COVID-19 following the discharge of a person from Middlemore Hospital. Yesterday our laboratories processed 4,279 tests, so our grand total of tests undertaken to date in New Zealand is 267,435. Just an update on the NZ COVID Tracer app. There are now 422,000 registrations on that, an increase of 17,000 since yesterday. And just to remind people that even registering, and which provides your up-to-date contact details with the Ministry of Health, is incredibly helpful for both you and for us and our wider efforts. So I continue to encourage you, if you haven't already, to download that app. There are now over 17,000 QR posters available in businesses around New Zealand, representing that unique New Zealand business number, and those are the ones that work with the NZ COVID Tracer app. We're launching another app today called Athena, and this is an app that is for health professionals and healthcare staff. It provides them with access to up-to-date information on the case definition, on local clinical pathways, and on guidance around use of personal protective equipment, amongst other things. So we're very pleased to be able to provide that information to our health professional workforce, so it's available on their mobile device and is updated as it is updated on our website. We've worked on that app with feedback and input from people across the system. And finally, on another important topic, back in Alert Level 4, I certainly noticed, and you may well have, there were many people out walking or cycling to get some fresh air and physical activity to break the monotony of being inside, and with less traffic on the roads. I have to say it was both easy and very enjoyable. Now, there is obviously more traffic on the road under Alert Level 2, but I would encourage people to still try and build in some physical activity into your days. I know it's getting more difficult with shorter and colder days, especially those mornings, but if you can retain that physical activity and build it into your day, perhaps for local trips, whether it's school, work or to the shops, that will help you stay well over winter. And what you may notice is your local councils providing more space for walking and cycling to make it easier, and I commend the councils for doing this and strongly encourage people to make the most of that. So we'll continue to work, as we have been, with the New Zealand Transport Agency, Waka Kotahi, and the Ministry of Transport around the public health benefits of walking and cycling, whether there is COVID-19 or not.